Sometimes pranks don't work out. It happens. If you want to scare your friends while watching a scary movie, do it from far away. Stay out of your victim's reach. A tape spider web? Just you wait! Oops! It was missing an inch or two. Okay, you're free to go. A delicious cookie and a toothless prank. A match made in heaven. Aha! My tooth! It hurts! Heh! Gotcha! But I forgot about this one thing. This is a permanent marker. This perfume doubles as vampire repellent. Open a bottle of perfume and remove the sprayer. Pour garlic powder inside. Keys? Phone? Perfume? What's wrong? Is the sprayer broken? Oh no! I'm blind! Ooh, water! A few extra minerals will make it taste better. Mix citric acid, salt, and ground garlic. Pour the mixture into a cup. Go ahead, drink. Just one sip, a little sip. A tiny sip. I think she's asleep. Now I can do her makeup. Freeze! And act like you're not even here. All right, the slime is in place. Now for the bucket. Mix some slime glue. Water mixed with borax. gel laundry detergent, and acrylic paint. Add dissolved baking soda. Mix huge slime. Put the slime into a bucket. I had no idea that the slime would go this slowly. Are you filming in slime-mo? Now clean up after your genius prank. Let's hug goodbye. I'll leave a farewell note on your back, just like this. What? A jacket? I'm so bad at pranking. All pranks work better at night. Or maybe not. Attach a strip of double-sided tape to the sole of slippers. Hey, what about the tape? Great, it stuck to the floor. Ugh, the bathroom is occupied again. Perfect timing for a prank. A pin on the wall. A balloon on the door. Here comes the boom. Something went wrong. Did the balloon break? No, it worked. Too late. Look into this bottle. There's something interesting inside. Where? Here? How? Just like this. Ooh, what a cute face! Glue a printout of a scary portrait into a hand mirror. How brave! Let's keep waiting. Hey, do my cheekbones look even? My bronzer seems kind of pale. Pour some old bronzer into Kinetic sand. Mix it well. Put the mixture into a container from bronzer. Compact it. Yeah, perfect! You look great! Ugh, my second prank failed too. Okay, a tissue prank is definitely going to work. Take out a few tissues from a package. Pour flour onto them. And put them back inside. These tissues are kinda dusty. They must have been in my purse for a while. Ugh, it didn't work again! What a fiasco! What's wrong with him? Did you like our pranks? Let us know in the comments about if you've ever been in a situation like this. And you guys, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click on the bell. Don't miss out on funny new pranks on Troom Troom.